If you want to maintain your privacy while using Revolut, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you are in the app, locate the profile icon or the settings gear, usually found in the upper corner of the home screen. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Access privacy settings. In the settings menu, look for the privacy section. This is where you can manage your visibility and online status options. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, find the option related to your online status. You may see options like Show Online Status or Hide Online Status. Select the option to hide your online status. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status settings, make sure to save any changes if prompted. Exit the settings menu and return to the main app interface. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Revolut, enhancing your privacy while using the app.